Now the second exercise, exercise 2. Complete the gaps with the appropriate phrase below each sentence pair. Complete the gaps with the appropriate phrase below each sentence pair. Okay, so immediately the correction. Number 1, sentence number 1. They stopped putting sugar in those drinks years ago. I don't think I still need to remind you of the difference between stop plus 2 and stop plus ing. They stopped putting sugar in those drinks years ago. And number 2 of set of sentences number 1. We stopped to put some petrol in the car. We stopped to put some petrol in the car. Here we've got a clear example of one action which is being stopped in order to start a new action. Set of sentences number 2. 1. Don't forget to get eggs when you go shopping. Don't forget to get eggs when you go shopping. Which action is the first one? The first action is forget, and the second, to get. Number 2. I'll never forget getting only 10% in my final. I'll never forget getting only 10% in my final. What does it mean? It means that the person got 10% at the university exam, and it was an embarrassing experience, and he will never forget it. Which action is the first? The first action is getting, and the second, I will never forget. Alright? Set of sentences number 3. Number 1. I remember bringing my first girlfriend to meet my parents. I remember bringing my first girlfriend to meet my parents. Once again, here we've got an action that we did in the past, which is bringing, and that we will never forget, or that we remember. Remember is the second action. Number 2. I must remember to bring some warm clothes with me. I must remember to bring some warm clothes with me. First action, remember. Second action, to bring. Set of sentences number 4. Number 1. I tried to open the door, but it was stuck. I tried to open the door, but it was stuck. Alright, so it requires some effort to open a door which got stuck, right? You have to be very strong to manage to open it. And the last one, number 2, she tried opening a shop, but it never made a profit. I repeat, she tried opening a shop, but it never made a profit. Okay, so opening a shop was for her a solution to her financial problem, because everybody needs to have a job to live on. Okay, and the first thing that she tried was opening a shop. Okay, but if you want to suggest more ways of making money, you can still use try plus ing with different solutions. Like, for example, here it is said that she tried opening a shop and it didn't work. Maybe you could give her more pieces of advice by, for example, she should try, for example, following some training and find a job.